Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today, for today's short video, we will be talking about the how the if-then statement makes sense. Okay, before we proceed, I would like to thank everyone. Thank you for your undying support. Thank you also for those who messaged me requesting for a specific topic that I am going to discuss for the next vlog. And thank you also of course, for your likes and your comments. That actually helps me to improve my succeeding videos. And for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to click down there on the subscribe button below for you to be able to be updated on a lot of videos that I'll be uploading soon. And you might want to click on the notification bell button so that you would get notified in case I am uploading a new video. Okay, so let's talk now about the if-then statement. So this is actually one of the logical tools in analyzing the math that would actually help us to understand the higher level of thinking and working with mathematics. The use of if-then statements actually is when we're actually proving claims in math. We're actually proving claims in different areas, like the theorems, the propositions, the lemmas, corollaries, etc. We're actually one of the tools that we're using is actually the use of if-then statements. So when we are actually providing our thoughts about a specific claim, or we're proving or we're solving, actually the use for that is when sometimes is when you are aiming to do a direct proof. So that's why you use the if-then statements. Okay, let us consider, for example, a statement: if you stay, then I will love you forever. So this is a logical statement that will be used in studying mathematics such as analysis, algebra, geometry, and many more. In fact, we would always see this routine of using the if-then statements again when we are proving claims, solving problems, or explaining ideas. So the statement, if you stay, then I will love you forever, is being generically referred to us as if P then Q statement. So the fragment you stay is denoted as P, and the statement I will love you forever is denoted as Q. So that means the statements we have is if P then Q. Okay, now how the truth table works. What happens when P is true, Q is false, P is false, Q is true, etc., and or any different scenario. So let's start with case 1. So let's talk about case 1. Case 1, suppose P is true and Q is true. Okay, so P is true, Q is true. So that means if P is true, then so if you stay, so that means you're actually fulfilling the condition that you stay. Then the Q is true, so that means I will love you forever. So that means because you're staying, I am fulfilling my promise. Then the entire statement is actually true because this is the condition that is being done, and the promise is actually being done. So that means the promise is being fulfilled. So the entire statement is true. So that means if P is true, Q is true, then if P, then Q implies the entire statement is true. Okay, let's go to case 2. Suppose P is false and Q is true. Okay, then the statement is if you stay, then I will love you forever becomes you're not staying, I will love you forever. So actually, you're not fulfilling your condition, but even if you did not fulfill the condition, I am still fulfilling my promise. So I did not break any promise. So that means the entire statement is actually true. Exactly, because the Q is being fulfilled even if the P is not done correctly. So If P is false, then Q is true, then the entire statement is true. That's it. Okay, let's go to case 3. If P is true, then Q is false. Okay, so what happens to the entire statement? So P is true, that means you're staying. Q is false, that means I will not love you forever. So you are actually fulfilling the condition, but I'm not gonna fulfill my promise to love you forever. So the entire statement is false. Promise is actually broken in this statement. So if P is true, then Q is false, the entire statement is false. That's it. Now, let's go to case 4. If P is false, then Q is false. So P is false, you're not staying. Q is false, I'm not gonna love you forever. So, there actually no promise that is being broken. Why? Because you're not gonna fulfill your condition in the first place. So I did not love you forever because you're not staying. So I did not actually break the promise. Because the promise is only done when the condition is being fulfilled. In fact, P is false means there's no condition. So the entire statement is actually true. So if P is false, Q is false, the entire statement is true. That's it. So that's how the logic of if-then statement works. So that will also be used when we're actually proving and claiming proving and solving claims in math. So this is actually fragments of some techniques in how do we prove mathematical claims here. So again, let's review. Number 1 is, case 1 is P is true, Q is true, entirely it's true. P is false, Q is true, entirely it's true. P is true, Q is false, entirely it's false. But P is false, Q is false, entirely that's true. That's all. So that's all for now for this video, and thank you so much for watching. So if you have any questions or clarifications or any requests that you would like me to discuss, such as like how the other types of logic works in proving claims in math, or what are the different whatever would be that type of mathematics topic. So thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to comment down there and click on the subscribe button. So thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.